everyone, today we will know GK question answers on countries, national birds and animals. 5 questions, 4 options, 5 seconds for each answer. Question number 1. Which country has the bald eagle as its national bird and animal? Option A Russia, option B United States, option C Germany, option D United Kingdom. Correct answer is option B United States. Question number 2. The giant panda is national animal of which nation? Option A Australia, option B United Kingdom, option C China, option D Japan. Correct answer is option C China. The flightless bird kiwi is the national symbol of which country, leading to its citizen often being called the same name? Option A Australia, option B New Zealand, option C Iceland, option D Hong Kong. Correct answer is option B in New Zealand. Question number 4. Which animal is known for its ability to survive long periods without water? Is the national animal of Saudi Arabia? Option A camel, option B ibex, option C falcon, option D Arabian horse. Correct answer is option A camel. The majestic Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of which two countries? Option A China and India, option B India and Bangladesh, option C India and Pakistan, option D South Africa and India. Correct answer is option B India and Bangladesh. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.